Previously on her motorcycle adventures. Asphalt, how I love these. Oh, no, it's been a good challenge. Oh, cool air. Folks, I think it's about 20 degrees and 20 degrees Celsius. And yeah, it's quite, I'm glad to be moving today. Glad to be moving and grooving. It's funny, these little bits of asphalt along this track. I've been managing to do about 70 kilometres an hour along that other road. Bit of road from Laos. I'm from Laos to Burke, and yeah, 70 kilometres an hour I think has been good for me. What about all the goats? Oh my goodness. So anyway, this is lovely. Just seeing all this amazing vastness and the colour of the dirt, that real red dirt. It's just been amazing out here. This is like the real quintessential Australiana, right folks? Okay. Cruising along, enjoying life. What could be better than being out on the bike, right? Okay, what's this? Gundabooka National Park. Turn right, 400 metres. Cool. Aboriginal rock art. See that on the sign? Oh, this could be really cool. Okay. I don't know, guys. What do you think? This could be freaking awesome. Do you know what? Let's slow down and have a squiz. Gundabooka National Park, 32 kilometres. Okay. Let's have a little look. I mean, I don't know. This could be interesting. Oh, wow. Look at that road. Oh. Oh. Oh wow, 32 kilometres of dirt. I mean, you know that most of that other road's been dirt. Okay. What do you think? Should I check it out? Okay folks, so I can see from the sign that I've come about 32 k's from Laos, and I was doing about an average of 70 kilometres an hour because that road actually is a bit more hard compacted, so that's okay. I mean, 68 kilometres left to Burke, so if I can keep that average up, I should get into Burke in good time. But I think 32 kilometres in, why don't we check it out? That looks like Aboriginal art up there, and a national park. I mean, who knows? Who knows? What do you think? I think I'm gonna do it. Let's do it. Let's say yay. Let's do it. Okay. Okay, so far so good. What the heck am I doing? Oh, ouch. A little bit of corrugation. Okay, this is a time. I don't know whether you can see through my got one of those DJI cameras and they smooth out the bumps. So I don't know how this is going to come across on film, but this is a little corrugated. Them. You stay over there, goats. Oh gosh. Okay. Wow. Okay. This is compacted, but ooh. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Did I make the right decision here? Okay, maybe I'll come over here a bit. Oh, wow. Oh, crap. Oh, gosh. I can feel my breakfast. What? What am I doing? One must ask. Oh, there's times that, you know, the tales of the Suzuki GS. Oh my, if this bike could talk, what would it say? I don't want to see me going ass up. Oh, that looks like sand. Okay, hello. Hello, I'm your best friend. I'm your best friend, I'm sand. Okay, so I'm just on this track here after 75 absolute we'll say the word interesting track. Thankfully not too much sand, bone splintering, back breaking road. No, it wasn't too bad. And I'm just walking up this rocky path here and I'm going to go see some Aboriginal rock art. I'm really excited about this because this was really off the beaten track and I kind of like doing these ad hoc adventures and seeing what's around. So yeah, let's see what it's like, shall we? It's got a certain energy about it.
big rock behind me. It's as clear as day to me, but hopefully I can film it to show you. But it's an actual snake or serpent, they would have called it, I suppose, either or. But I'll hopefully be able to, film it up close so I can show you. But I've just got to say, this is so humbling, and the energy here is just absolutely beautiful. I can see why this would have been a very special place for them. And like I said, it would be very interesting to learn a lot more about the first peoples of the land, their culture. Well, I'll put that out there, and you never know what might come my way. I've got a habit of attracting awesomeness into my life. I mean, you can have your tourist attractions, but this is the real deal, isn't it, guys? It's just absolutely moving. Absolutely moving. And I'm going to just cross the creek bed here, because I can see another escarpment of rocks up there. Let's see what we'll find, huh? Gonna just trek up here and see the rock escarpment up here, see what else we can find. This is amazing. I do feel like Ms. Indiana Jones. Oh wow, check this out. Just got the yards right under the rock here, so just gotta get in and under there. But oh geez, it's amazing. How absolutely amazing. I just got this beautiful sense of peace here. I don't know what it is, but I could just sit here all day. A special place. The more time I spend in places like this, the more I realise that the past can talk, if only would listen. Well, you know me, folks. I like a bit of a challenge. Look at it out there, nothing but I wouldn't know how high I've climbed so far, and I haven't got too much more to go to the top. I'm thinking I'm gonna do it. We'll just see, but I'll get some shots for you on the way. I'm glad it's sort of a bit of a cooler day, because it would be quite easy to get dehydrated up here, that's for sure. But what a magnificent view. Just like miles and miles of absolute nothingness. Incredible. That's what I'm climbing up, folks. Oh, folks, check this out. Wow. What a walk it has been so far. I've got to get back down that rocky slope, which is going to be I think it's going to be tougher than actually what it's been to climb up this mountain. And considering what my knees been giving me a lot of crap lately, considering I'm actually quite kind of happy I've actually got this far up, but I mean, wow, look at that. All from taking a diversion on that main road. I've seen Aboriginal rock art and I've climbed this 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 rocky mountain here. Anyway, I'll get some shots for you. There you have it, folks. That was pretty awesome. Well, I think the good head doctor is going to say to me, committed. Committed. Now I've just got another, 72 kilometres to go. Shits and giggles. So, what did the man in the white coat say to me? This one needs to be put away, and in a straight coat too. Now I've got 72 kilometres.